Alright, Ricky, I have your Rakon 76. All finished up. Came out beautiful. Using some DYS 1102 10,000 kV motors, Super SF4 stack. This has the 170 cam with the Lumineer, what is it, the SM25 I think, or something like that, VTX. So you got the button right there. You might be able to see it on camera. You'll definitely be able to see it in person. The button for changing channels and bands is right there. I'm touching it right now. And then your receiver, you got a shit, I don't even remember which receiver. Hold on a second. Okay, so you got the U-Sky, FR Sky U-Sky receiver. So I covered it with blue heat shrink, but I took a black Sharpie and made a circle right where the bind button is. So when you see it in person, you'll be able to see it. It's just, you'll see the blue heat shrink, and then right on the right side there is a black circle. That's where you're going to push down on. That's where the button is. So you're going to push down on that button while plugging in the battery to get it in bind mode. And let me show you, I'll show you the FPV working, and then I'll do a quick cover and I'll get this sent over to you. So there we go. You got the battery voltage, RSSI, and timer across the bottom. That's how I usually have it, but you can change it however you want it to be. So let me turn this around. And here we go. I set it up. So auxiliary 1, this is what I have for auxiliary 1 and auxiliary 2. So 1 is arm, disarm, and then 2 is your flight modes, and I got angle, horizon, and air mode. And I turned the rates down real low because you said you wanted it to be slower. So let's see. Yeah, this is angle mode right here. Let me calibrate it real quick. There we go. Yeah, that's pretty slow. It's going to be just right for you. I kept the yaw a little bit faster, but then the forward and side to side is a little bit slower. So, and then when you change modes, you know, that's angle all the way down, and then middle is horizon. Then you'll be able to do flips, but it'll still self-level. And then all the way up is air mode, and that's no self-level, and it'll be a lot faster that way. But you might not want to use that until maybe you get a little bit better or something, you know. But yeah, it's flying perfect. Just look at that. Alright, well, that should do it. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll be sending this your way and send you over some tracking. Alright, thank you.